Welcome to Cooking Made Simple. I am MindBlown Chef. In today's recipe, we're gonna do fajitas. Now, this channel, I take recipes and I simplify them. I don't make them less tasty, I make them easier to make at home, so you, the viewer, can make this at home. For example, today's recipe, we have 5 ingredients. I've got Achote paste, I've got bell pepper, onion, flour tortillas, and chicken thighs. And that is all. Achote paste, you can find this in the Spanish section of your supermarket. This adds a great deal of flavor to your chicken. You don't have to use it, but I definitely recommend it. Comes in this little block, it's real pasty, as the name, Achote paste. Throw it in your bowl. We're gonna add some olive oil to this. We're gonna mix this up. We wanna get a nice little marinade-y consistency here. And then what we're gonna do is our chicken is gonna take a bath in this. So you'll break that down and mix it all up until you get a nice little pasty consistency. Chicken thighs. I like using chicken thighs because chicken breast is too lean. It's dry by the time you're done cooking it. So boneless chicken thighs. And then you're gonna cut nice thin little strips into these thighs. We're gonna place them into our bowl of the achote paste and let those marinate for a little bit. Now we're gonna place our chicken into the bowl of the achote paste. And we're gonna just lather that up. Get it real mixed in there. We wanna get that all over. All right, we're gonna set this to the side. I'm gonna give myself a quick washy-washy. A new concept to this channel. What we're gonna do is I'm taking this fajita recipe. I'm showing you how to make those right now. I'm gonna then take the leftovers from this and I'm gonna make fajita spaghetti. And I will put the link to that video at the end of this one. For the bell peppers and the onions, all we're gonna do is julienne those, and I'll show you that right now. So, the true definition of fajitas is grilled, marinated meat cut into strips. Now, the definition of this channel, Cooking Made Simple, is cooking made simple. So, by all means, if you want to go fire up your grill, slice the meat up after it's done grilling, and then put it in the oven and finish it off, go ahead and do it. Or follow me, I can make it taste just as good, but faster. Here's how we do it. Cast iron pan. Cast iron pan, because I want to get a lot of heat. I'm going to drop some olive oil down, just a little bit to coat the bottom, nothing crazy. We're going to cook our chicken first. We're going to get some nice color on that chicken. Don't worry about if it cooks all the way through. We want to just get a nice color on it. Reason why we cook the chicken first and remove it from the pan and then put our vegetables, the chicken's going to receive a lot of water. That water and the fat is going to get all over your veggies. It's going to look nasty. So do the chicken first, pull it out of the pan, give the pan a wipe, and then we put our veggies. Our pan is smoking hot. Go ahead and drop in your chicken. Try to get a nice layer on there. Because we want to get some good color, nice even color on this chicken. I'm going to have to cook this in batches. You don't want to overcrowd your pan, or you won't get any nice color on there. So, I got about half of it in there. Alright, put a little salt and pepper on this. Little pepper and a little salt. Always season high. It makes for a more even distribution of your salt and pepper. So don't touch this chicken. Make sure it gets, you want to get nice color, so you don't want to mess with it. I got a spatula here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to scrape and then flip, because I want to get a nice even color on the other side too. Kind of like cooking hash browns. We're going to go ahead and give this a flip. Like that. Just that, keep cooking. We got this piece here. Look at that, one piece. Flip it over, get some color on there. And with that one, let that go. With my tongs, I'm gonna place this chicken in a bowl because I still have the rest of the chicken to cook off. And you see all that stuff on the pan? That's why I cooked it first. I didn't want to get any of that on my vegetables. I'm gonna let this come back up to temp, and then I'm gonna drop in my the rest of my chicken. Pan's back up to temp. Drop the rest of my chicken in. Scraping it up. And then we'll continue to go on this side. We're gonna take our chicken, the rest of it, put it into a bowl, set it to the side. Now with this bottom stuff, I wanna scrape this with my spat, like that. I'm gonna place it, drain it, stick it in the bowl. That's all good flavors. Then we're gonna take paper towel, throw it inside, and we're gonna soak up the rest of this. Don't need it. Soak it up. Alright, just like that. Discard of all that. Now we drop our veggies right inside there. Still on high heat, we're gonna let those get some color. I'm gonna throw some salt and pepper. Bring out some of that moisture and get those cooking nice. Alright, so with your veggies, it's very important. You want to get some nice color. We're not touching these. I haven't moved them at all. I dropped them in. I'm just going to let this get nice color on that side, and then we're going to flip them and get color on the other side and let them finish through. I'm starting to smell that caramelization going on. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to give these a little flip. See that nice color on there? And I'm using the spatula because I want it to be even. I get a nice color on this side too. So let's keep going. I've been going for about 3 minutes. Now I'm going to go ahead and give these another turn, get a look at them. We're getting some nice color on here. My onions are almost all translucent. So now's a good time. We're gonna go ahead and finish off our chicken. You're gonna put the chicken in the bowl, or in the pan more like. Dump all that juice in there too. Don't leave anything behind. Let those veggies continue to cook. Don't mix this yet. Let those continue to cook on the bottom, and then we're gonna give it a stir and we're all done. Another 3 minutes. Look at that. Now we're gonna give this a nice little stir. Beautiful color on everything. I'm gonna let it go for 2 more minutes. That's it. Go ahead, give it a taste. If you need to add some more salt and pepper, go ahead and do so now. Just like that. Give it a little mix, and we are all done here. Listen to that sizzle, baby. So I got these mini street flour tortillas. I think they're gonna do well. I have a flat top here that's nice and preheated. I'm just literally gonna cook them 1 minute, 2 minutes each side, about 1 minute, just till they're warm all the way through. If you don't have a flat top, you can use a pan, it's fine. That's it. I feel the heat through here, so I'm just gonna give them a flip. Just trying to get them nice and warm. I'm gonna place these in my little tortilla container. I've got some pico, I've got some guac, and I've got some sour cream. I have 2 videos on how to make homemade guac and how to make homemade pico. I'll put the link for you right here. But here's how I'm gonna build my homemade fajitas. Now that is a sexy fajita. simple. I am mind-blown chef. No wonder I'm trying to talk so loud. That's focused, right? Get out of here, asshole. Probably have to cut all that. Ready? This right here is action shots for the cooking process of thy chicken.